I'm so happy that we had this event here, the first event of 2022. In this ambience, beautiful backdrop of the Chettinad house. I don't think we could have started better than, like nothing could have been better than this. I'm so happy and I'm so thankful to MAMR Muthaiya and Geeta Muthaiya for giving us the permission to hold this event here. So can I invite them both onto the stage, please? This is Ayyappan, as he is very fondly known, and Geeta. And Vidya will give a basket of flowers to Geeta. Thank you so much, Geeta. And the dinner also is Chettinad dinner prepared by the people here under the guidance of none other than Geeta. The menu was selected personally by Geeta, so I must mention that.
Wow.
Thank you so much, Geeta. And this is a small memento for Ayyappan. Absolutely necessary. Thank you so much. And I would like you to say a few words, please.
Thank you, Bali. Good evening, one and all. And on behalf of my family, I welcome you all here to my house. This is a very happy moment after this COVID. So many people getting together. Very amazing to see so many old cars maintained very well, running. Over 100 years, there are some cars. So I am very happy to see these cars have been maintained. So much interest is put in this sport. I have very less knowledge in this sport. I have 2-3 cars of this, but not maintained well. But I congratulate all the people for putting these efforts to maintain all these cars. And these cars set an ambience to my house, and this house is becoming looking better than with this all these cars here arranged very well. So I should congratulate Gugan for this entire arrangement. For he spent couple of hours here, and then he made this whole show a beautiful ambience with simple exteriors, with these cars made the whole place, and the people now making the whole place. I'm very happy that I had accepted this, and it's a pleasure having you here. I hope that you enjoy the dinner and the evening. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you. Just a moment, please. I just wanted to also hand over this lapel pin of Madras Heritage Motoring Club. With this, you become an honorary member of our club.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Nawab Zada, Mohammad Asif. Please come, Asif. Such a pleasure to have you here today. Small bouquet of flowers to start with. Also, I have the pleasure of inviting you to be a member of MHMC, Madras Heritage Motoring Club, and I'm so grateful that you accepted. So with this pin, you are also an honorary member of Madras Heritage Motoring Club.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure, my honor to accept to be the honorary member of the esteemed MHMC club. I thank our dear friend Mr. Bali, Mr. Ranjit Uncle, Mr. Guhan, Mr. Vijay, and all members for this honor. And it will be our great pleasure to see you all at the Amir Mahal very soon at the vintage car exhibit or in display. My pleasure to be here at this palace, Mr. Muthaiya and Mrs. Muthaiya, for this wonderful evening. Thank you so much again.
Cal's Breweries has sponsored the beer for this evening. Their car is there. Steren is the beer, and we are so grateful to them for having sponsored the event. The other gentleman I'd like to thank is GD Rajkumar. He accepted to be honorary member of our club. We have agreed to have an MOU with the GD Naidu Museum along with MHMC, so that we share, we do events together in Coimbatore and Chennai, and we also do a lot of work together as museums. In Chennai also, we are hoping that we will start a museum soon. Nothing I say would be enough for work that Gohan has done for this event. Maggie was also, in a very big sense, responsible for this event. Maggie, through his friend Ramesh Khanna, and a big thanks to Ramesh Khanna. So thank you so much, Maggie. Thank you so much, Ramesh. Team of MAMR Muthaiya, led by Shivakumar. Thank you so much. You really helped us get this event together. Thank you so much, everyone.